Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a hedge trimmer, cordless hedge trimmer, and it comes with two of these batteries. So it's got one here and another one down here. It also comes with another head. This head here comes with the other this other head, the battery, and the charger, and it comes with an extension wand for it so you can trim stuff way up high. That's kind of cool. So let me show you guys how that works. So if we have the battery, we'll stick into here. How are we doing this? Am I doing this backwards? I'm not sure why it's not going in. Hold on a second. Battery. It's got all these little buttons here. I have to kind of move it around. So it's gonna go. Oh, I think it's in a place right now. I have to take, I don't know what this is in here. Let's see. Let me figure this out. I'll be right back. I was putting it on the wrong side. It goes up here. So here's where the battery goes. And then the tool will go on this side here. So that's where you take off the other battery here. And then the tool slides on like that. So this will give us the ability, oops, turn you around here so you can see what I'm doing, to use this far away. So then I can use the trigger and do some hedge trimming up high. And it's an extension pole, so I can make this thing really long. You know, and I can trim it. I can aim this here too by pushing this, I guess, and moving it up. So I can trim stuff, some hedges that are way high up and stuff like that, so I can get to some of those trees that are beyond my reach. So that's really cool. A neat little device here. So I'll show you guys it in use. We're gonna go outside here. I'll leave this thing on it even though my hedges are fairly small, just so you can get an idea of it. Excuse me. Okay, so I have some little hedges here that are starting to grow some tips. I'm gonna leave this one here aiming this direction just so it doesn't blow over. It's a small tripod. But so I can, wow, this is long. Okay, let me make it a little shorter. But you get the idea. So I can do this, and I can just go right above it. Get rid of all that stuff. Make it nice and level again. That's cool. Works like a champ, really cool. I like this, and I like the little extension thing, makes it kind of cool. And it comes with a strap, so you can strap it on and have it hanging so you don't have to hold it all like I was just holding it too. So lots of different things it has. And then to get it off, you can just slide it right off of there and you're good to go. So really cool, I like it. Thumbs up for sure.